Yes, you're welcome. Now today in this video we are going to look at how you can advance your career as an enrolled nurse. Now that certificate in enrollment is the most important document in your life because you can use it as a stepping stone to further your career in life. Being an equivalent of a senior 6, you can even stand as an MP. Just kidding. Now, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jacob, and basically here on my channel, we talk about career guidance, education, and entrepreneurship. So if you really enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Click a thumbs up and don't hesitate to make your comment right there in the comment section if there's anything you want to comment on my tutorial. Now in this video today we are going to look at how you can advance your career as an enrolled nurse. Now without wasting time, the most obvious way in which you can advance your career as an enrolled nurse is to do a diploma in nursing, which most people call as assistant nursing officer nowadays. Now that's quite a very important document, and if you can see the salary difference between a certificate holder and a diploma holder is quite very great nowadays. Nowadays certificate holders, those are the enrolled nurses, earn around 750,000 per government scale, and diploma nurses are earning around 1.2 million shillings. So that is a great difference. So if you want to further your career, the most obvious way is to become a registered nurse, and that is at a diploma level, and later you can upgrade your career to a degree level to become a nursing officer. Now that is one of the ways. Another way in which you can further your career as an enrolled nurse is to become a radiographer at a diploma level. That's quite a very good course. Now with a radiographer you get experience in x-ray and basically doing ultrasound scan at a diploma level. Now you can do that course for 3 years, and the commonest place where you can get it easily is at 𝐒𝐲 here in Mengo. You can get that program for 3 years, and later you can advance your career to a degree level in radiology, and later also you can advance to a master's level. So it's a career growth, and that is a very respectable profession which is on demand here in our country. Another way you can advance your career is you can do a diploma in ultrasound scan. That is 6 months here at 𝐒𝐲. It's a very good paper. If you get it, you can have experience in doing obstetric scans, gynecological scans, and also abdominal scans. Those scans are quite very important nowadays with these pregnant women coming around. They want to look at the morphology of their baby, the heart rate, the sex. So if you have experience and have those skills, it can boost your career, especially people who are opening up clinics. If you have experience and knowledge on doing ultrasound scan, it can bring you a lot of clients for you in your clinic. And also people who are going abroad, our nurses who are going abroad in the United Arab Emirates, those nurses who have skills in ultrasound scan get a lot of money and get very many placements in very many facilities and hospitals because of their knowledge. So don't underrate this paper. Another way which you can advance your career is you can do a diploma in clinical medicine. Yes, but especially most of my male nurses who don't want to do bedside nursing, you can take up a diploma in clinical medicine. One of the major reasons why most nurses deviate to clinical medicine is they want to open up clinics. Now, for a nursing officer to open up a clinic, you need 10 years of experience for you to give an allowance to open up a clinic. While as a clinical officer can take only 4 years and they are given a mandate to open up a clinic. So those are some of the reasons why most nurses will opt to do clinical medicine. And also some other nurses want to have that experience of clerking their patients on their own without supervision. So one of the ways to do that is to do a diploma in clinical medicine. Now from there you can advance your career and either do medicine, radiology, do tutorship. There's a lot you can do after doing your diploma in clinical medicine. So there are very many schools which teach that nowadays. There's Fort Portal, Mbale, Kampala, Medicare. There are so many schools. You don't need to struggle a lot entering this field. So if you are interested, that is one of the ways you can advance your career from enrollment. Another way in which you can advance your career from enrollment is you can do a diploma in counseling and guidance. That is quite a very good document. Nowadays you see in paper they are looking for nurse counselors. Even in HIV clinics they are looking for nurses who have a paper, at least who have experience in counseling and guidance. So taking this route as your career guidance is not bad at all. You can later advance your career to a degree level in counseling, and later you can do a master in public health. Here in Makerere, they can give you have a degree in counseling. So that is a very good career path for you if you choose to take this route. Another way you can advance your career from enrollment is to do a diploma in public health dentistry. That is quite a very good paper. With that diploma, you can learn how to treat dental illnesses and extract tooth at a diploma level. It's a very marketable profession, and you can even open up a clinic and practice on your own. So that is quite a very good paper which you can take. It takes around 3 years, and you can get it at paramedical in Mulago and even here at Medicare. You only need a certificate in nursing or a one principal pass in A-level sciences for you to qualify for this course. And later, after having that document, you can upgrade your career and become a dental surgeon. So that is quite a very good paper for you, especially most of our nurses who are struggling to do medicine for 5 years. You don't need to do it. You can also do a public dentistry and become a dental surgeon. Those guys are also making a lot of money. And later you can upgrade your career from just being a dental surgeon to a maxillofacial surgeon. That is quite a very good career for you if you can follow that path. Another way in which you can advance your career from enrollment is to do a diploma in pharmacy. You become a dispenser. That is also a very good course. It takes you 3 years. There are very many schools teaching a diploma in pharmacy currently in Uganda. You can get it at paramedical. You can do it in Shaka, Fort Portal. There are so many schools which you can advance your career. Now from being a diploma, from doing a diploma in pharmacy, you can later become a pharmacist at a degree level and supervise pharmacists. That is also a very good career path you can take if you want to advance your career from enrollment. Now, if you're one of those enrolled nurses who are very ambitious, another way in which you can advance your career is to do a mature entry exam at the university. Now, the qualifications for doing mature entry exams here in Uganda is you need to be 25 years of age and also have O-level certificate. Those are the only qualifications you need to do. So you go and register for the exam, pass it, and you can apply for any course at the university. So that is also another way in which you can advance your career. So if you're one of those enrolled nurses who don't want to study and you just need to work, still there are very many jobs you can do outside this country. There are very many healthcare, home care jobs in UAE which you can do, and they can earn you quite a lot of money. There are very many of these recruiting companies taking nurses. You can go on board and go and make money in the UAE. Another way in which you can progress your career outside the country is you can choose to become a nursing assistant. Yes, you can step a step below and become a nursing assistant in the UK. They are recruiting nursing assistants in the UK. The occupational code for you to work as a nursing assistant in the UK is 6141. You go on the NHS sites and apply for those jobs as a nursing assistant. Yes, it's not a bad job. Let me tell you, a nursing assistant in the UK earns way a lot of money than even a registered nurse in Uganda. Yes, so if you can get that job and go and advance your career in the UK, work in those home care centers in the UK as a healthcare assistant, you can earn a lot of money and even advance your career from there. So don't hesitate to take some of this path in your career, because they can really promote you and get you to a level you've never imagined before in your life. So in summary, those are some of the ways in which you can progress your career from enrollment in nursing. So if you have any question or if you have any supplement on this tutorial, don't hesitate to make your comment right there in the comment section.